Cast iron pans are tricky to clean. They should not be washed like your usual pan or skillet. You can't just throw it in the dishwasher. Cast iron pans have to be cleaned a certain way. Here is a beginner's guide on how to clean your cast iron pan. What sets cast iron pans apart from regular pans and skillets is that cast iron pans have added seasoning to the pan. You want to preserve the seasoning on your cast iron pan as much as possible during the cleaning process. What's the seasoning for? The seasoning on cast iron pans makes food taste so much better. Step 1. Add salt to your cast iron pan. Add a generous amount of salt to your cast iron pan. Step 2. Add oil to your cast iron pan. Drizzle cooking oil into your cast iron pan. Step 3. Rub your cast iron pan with a paper towel. Use the salt to scrub off the food residue. Step 4. Repeat the steps of adding salt, adding oil, and rubbing the pan. Keep repeating this step until your cast iron pan is clean. Do you still see stuck-on food residue on your cast iron pan? When it comes to removing stubborn food residue on your cast iron pan, you have two options. The first option is to rinse your cast iron pan in warm water and scrub with a small amount of dish liquid soap. Use a scraper to remove stubborn food residue. Your second option is to add a little water to your cast iron pan and bring it to a simmer. Let it cool, and then use a scraper to scrape off the stubborn food residue. Dry your cast iron pan after removing the stuck-on food residue. Add salt and oil to your cast iron pan. Rub the salt and oil all over your cast iron pan. You are now seasoning your cast iron pan. Wipe off the salt and you are done cleaning your cast iron pan. You don't need to rinse off the salt. The salt is the seasoning that your cast iron pan needs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more food videos.